Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to subscribe to ESPN Plus in Canada using the Disney bundle step by step. This process is quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes to complete. If you want to get started right away, the official sign-up link will be available in the video description and also in the pinned comment below. Sometimes there may be updated discounts, special offers, or limited time promotions available through that link, so make sure to check it out before subscribing. To begin, open the official Disney Plus website using the link provided. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Disney bundle option that includes Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and other available streaming benefits depending on the current offers in Canada. After you find the bundle section, click on Get the Bundle or Sign Up Now to continue. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and create your Disney account if you don't already have one. Make sure to use a valid email because you'll need it later to access ESPN Plus and manage your subscription. After creating your account, choose the subscription plan that works best for you. Depending on the current offers available in Canada, you may see different pricing options and streaming packages. Take a moment to review the details carefully before moving forward. Once you're ready, enter your payment information and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. After your subscription becomes active, you'll instantly get access to ESPN Plus content including live sports, UFC events, football, basketball, baseball, exclusive ESPN originals, and much more. This tutorial is specifically made for viewers in Canada who want to subscribe to ESPN Plus quickly and easily using the Disney bundle. And remember, the official sign-up link is available in the description and pinned comment below, where you may also find updated deals, discounts, or limited time promotions depending on availability. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future streaming tutorials, tech guides, and step-by-step videos. Thanks for watching.